At Riverside Elementary, every student spent one of their half days immersed in a school-wide STEM Day challenge to build a contained biosphere. But the learning experience for this challenge started days before the actual STEM Day, and the knowledge gained will benefit students for years to come. The entire project started with an idea from Principal Karen Brown, who enlisted the expertise of STEM instructional specialist Jennifer Barker to design a custom challenge for Riverside, while incorporating an inquiry-based learning structure and focusing on building scientific investigation skills. Barker collaborated with STEM lead Sincere Terry and instructional technology coach Emily Erb to organize the challenge and to ensure grade-appropriate learning skills were emphasized. Together, these three educators led a professional development session to get Riverside's teaching staff up to speed with the exact details of the STEM Day challenge, since each classroom teacher would be responsible for guiding their students on the day of the challenge. Weeks before the half day, students in each grade spent time outside with physical education teacher Maggie Chapese, collecting living and non-living items from around the school. Students collected leaves, pine cones, insects, and other natural objects in bags and brought them back to their classrooms for investigation and examination at their inquiry and provocation stations. Educators also made literacy connections, using recommended books to explore different biospheres and learn scientific terms that students would use during the challenge. With a strong educational foundation built through personal research and reading, students came to school on the half day, fully prepared to tackle Riverside's STEM Day challenge. Using recyclable materials, students worked in teams to design and construct a working mini biodome that can grow seeds through the fall and winter months. Across the school, the look and design of each biodome varied greatly, but each creation had to meet certain criteria by including living organisms and non-living objects, using two different types of seeds, and utilizing a working method for sunlight, water, and air to sustain plant growth for months. Some teachers even brought in earthworms for students to include in their constructed biosphere. When their biodomes were completed, students presented their working creations to their class while answering questions about their design choices and functionality. By transforming their half-day into an engaging STEM Day challenge, students at Riverside enjoyed a full day of learning that will fuel their scientific exploration for years to come.